In this video, I'm analyzing Notion Workspace and AI analytics, most of which are only available on enterprise plans. Knowing analytics can help you understand the usage of the Notion Workspace and of Notion AI and all its different products within the Notion AI ecosystem. So you can strategize and define the value of Notion within your team, what you can improve, what you might remove, and your overall strategy for using Notion within your overall team or company. On the left sidebar menu, in the Workspace settings, I can go to Analytics here, and that's where I can find Workspace Analytics related to Notion usage and AI analytics that relate to Notion AI specifically. So in the Overview section, there is user engagement. That's the first metric here. These are the active members and guests that have viewed at least one page within the last 90 days. I can also change the time frame here from 7 days, 28, 90, and up to last 365 days or 1 year. So these are KPIs for active users. You can see it is split by members. So these are the paid people that you can find under the members tab people, and then guests that you can also find under the members tab, but guests are free and they are invited on specific pages or databases individually, and they can't use Notion AI, at least currently. Below that, I can see other metrics for the most active team spaces. Team spaces are organizational layers on the left sidebar menu in Notion that enable users and you to organize the workspace into different sections. Usually they are used to split systems into different teams. So each team might have their own team space with the specific systems within it. And then there might be a default company-wide team space to organize all the company information in a centralized manner. So the most active team spaces are right here. Most active viewers, this is a demo workspace that I'm using, so there is no data here. Otherwise, it will show users just like this in order of their views. And the most active editors shows the people that make the most edits in this time frame here. There's also content engagement that shows the views, unique page views, and edits across the Notion workspace in that specific time frame. Notice that views are also views from external people. You might have public pages in Notion accessible by external people, and the views metric reflects that as well. And the most popular pages are the ones that have been the most viewed in this time frame here, as you can see. This includes both internal and external views. For example, the World Without Email is a template which has been viewed 47 times in the past 90 days, both by internal users and external visitors. So these are some generic KPIs and metric for the workspace. When you go into members, you can still see the user engagement and the active members over time. So you can visualize better the trend of people using the Notion workspace over time. And this can inform your understanding of the utility and value of the Notion workspace here. And then I can easily export members as a CSV in here. The content tab shows content specific analytics. These are the total views and unique views, total pages created and edited. And then down below, you can see the specific pages ordered in descending order by the number of views. In here, on the three dots, I can copy the link or open that page or database in a new tab. I can see the location, and I can export as CSV, and I can also filter by team space, by person, created by, and created on. The search tab provides analytics on what people search for. People can search in Notion via Control P or Command P as a shortcut, or via the dedicated search icon on the left sidebar menu. And that search bar searches across the Notion workspace for the content that is shared or accessible by the user that is searching for it, unless that content is unindexed in the search bar in Notion. So in here you can see the main keywords of what people are searching for. And you can also see the click-through rate of the searches. That can be a proxy to let you understand if people are finding what they're looking for. And if not, you might think about how to optimize it, maybe refining your wiki and including content that's more comprehensive, targeting the most searched queries in the Workspace. And finally, AI analytics, where you can see the specific products, Notion AI products, including connectors. So these are the external tools that you connect with Notion AI. For example, Google Drive, GitHub, Linear, Slack, and more. Agent, that's Notion AI agent that you can chat with on the right sidebar or in full screen as well on the dedicated AI tab in the left sidebar menu. And meeting notes, that is the AI meeting note taker that transcribes audio from your computer and the system audio and then generates a summary with action items if needed. So you can filter by a specific AI product, or you can just look at analytics across all the AI products. And we can see here there is group by AI feature that allows me to group by those features. Otherwise, I can see all of them aggregated together, and I can see the active AI members. So how many people in the workspace are using AI in the last 90 days, but I can adjust the time from here as well. And AI utilization, that is 100%, because that's the percentage of workspace members who have used AI in the workspace divided by the total workspace members. In this demo workspace, it's 1 member, so it is 100%. And the active AI members, here you can see when AI was used within the Notion workspace and by how many people. So y-axis is how many users, and x-axis is the day that it was used. Down below you can see the AI actions taken across the workspace. Here is where we can group by AI features, and we can show either actions per user or total actions across the workspace. We can see here 22 actions. Actions are the specific prompts, for example, that are sent to AI. And we can see on December 9 here, 9 AI actions in total, and so on. And if I group by AI feature, I can see that the 9 actions on November 9th were all related to agent, so the Notion AI chat. And if I show actions per user, here I can see the average AI actions per user, and then I can see the specific actions right here. Then I can drill down into the specific workspace members and how many AI actions they have done or taken in the time frame. I can sort, search, or download this list of people. And the top AI pages are the pages most frequently returned by AI responses in that time frame. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about my services and products, check the links in the description. See you in the next one.